Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable night mode in Telegram. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Telegram app. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main screen where you can see your chats menu. This is where you'll access all your conversations. Step 2. Now, look to the top left of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked together. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open the side menu. Step 3. Next, in the menu, find and tap on the Settings option. It's usually listed toward the bottom, and it's where you can adjust everything related to your Telegram preferences. Step 4. After tapping on Settings, scroll down and locate the Chat Settings option. This is where you can manage settings related to your chats like wallpapers, font sizes, and more. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. For the last and most important step, locate the Switch to Night Mode option, and then select it to enable night mode in Telegram instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.